In this project, what you're going to do is create a color wheel, but it's got a unique twist to it. What's going to happen is you're going to try to create an edge that's a little different, almost as if the color wheel is breaking up and flying apart. Like here I have flames kind of coming out here. Here I have triangles breaking off and flying out. Here it looks like the yellow's melting almost like wax. Here's leaves kind of coming out. Ice cubes breaking off the edge. In fact, you can see chunks of the color wheel coming out, and here it's almost like grapes or bubbles pulling up. So what you're going to do is create a color wheel, but have a unique twist of shapes on the edge. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. To begin with, what you're going to do is put the circle down in the center of the paper and trace around it like this. And make a mark at the end of each line like this. Next, take a ruler and connect the dots together like this. Then extend these lines all the way out to the edge like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to label these. I'm going to make this red. I'm going to put an R here, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. And what's going to happen is you're going to think about what you can do to make the edge of the color wheel kind of burst out. Fire, I think of for red, so I'm going to take that and have that coming out. So I'm going to make some flames coming out here. And what you can do is you can think of different shapes that you can put in here. You can put triangles or different things, but I'm going to use flames. So I'm going to draw those in here. Next, in this orange section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make triangles. I'm just going to make sharp triangles that look like they're breaking out of here. So I'm going to have just a little bit of a curve coming around here, and then kind of begin with a triangle here. Next, I'm going to make it look like the yellow is melting. The next one is green, so I'm going to make it look like leaves coming out of here. For the blue, I'm going to make like ice cubes. I'm just going to make squares and try those. And for purple or violet, what I'm going to do is use circles, kind of grapes or just bubbles coming out. Now I've darkened it in with a Sharpie marker, and what I'm going to do now is take the orange colored pencil, watercolor pencil, make sure it's got the little paintbrush on the colored pencil, and I'm going to go around the edges of this and fade. And I'm going to do the same with the flames, and then I'm going to do the, I guess that's the red, the orange, then the yellow, green, the blue, and the purple, and I'll do that right now. I've colored it in red here, orange here, yellow here, two colors of green, blue, and purple. Now I'm going to take some water and a paintbrush and go over these areas so that you can see the blending of the colors. Here's the final exploding color wheel. What I did is I put red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, had flames for the red, triangles for the orange, kind of a melting effect for the yellow, leaves for the green, ice cubes for the blue, and kind of grapes or bubbles for the purple. Have fun designing up the edges of this color wheel using different shapes. You can even repeat shapes if you want to, but draw it out first, blend with your watercolor pencils, and then use your water and see what you can come up with.